Welcome to the Browse Cultures tutorial. Use Browse Cultures to explore the various cultures in eHRAF. Click on the Browse Cultures for Culture Index. Here you'll find mostly non-Western cultures, ethnic groups, tribal cultures, and immigrant groups in North America. Most cultures have ethnonyms or alternative names. For example, here, Abaguzi is an ethnonym for the culture name Guzi. Each culture name also has its unique alphanumeric number called the OWC code, and it's based on the outline of world cultures. Navigate through the list by clicking on the tab or simply typing in the culture name. Click on the Country tab for cultures organized by countries. Click on Region to see the cultures organized by major regions. Click on the region names or eras to pull up the culture names. Connect to cultures in other regions with the links above. Click on the sub-region names to link to the cultures. Clicking on the culture summary takes you to a brief overview of that culture. This is a good way to get familiar with a culture. Clicking on collection description takes you to a brief culture description and collection information pertaining to the collection documents. Clicking on collection documents takes you to the ethnographic documents for a particular culture. Here you find full-text documents such as books, journal articles, dissertations, and monographs describing the cultural and social aspect of a culture. Please note that for a document to be included in eHRAF, it has to be culture specific. So for example, we would include the title Ethnobotany of Blackfoot Indians, but not a document titled Ethnobotany of Native North American Indians. Why? Because it's not culture specific. Click on a document title for publication information, main subjects, an abstract, and the table of contents. Navigate through the pages with the tabs, the pull-down list, or through the body and the table of contents. Clicking on a header in the table of contents takes you to a particular page. On top of the page you see the author name, title of the document, the page number. To the left is the page focus for that particular culture and the table of contents, which is clickable. What's unique about eHRAF is that each and every paragraph has been indexed with subjects and OCM codes based on the outline of culture materials. You can use the OCM subjects to search across cultures in hard-to-find places of the text. Click on the subject to link to a description. You can learn more about the OCM subjects in the Browse Subjects tutorial. Go to Advanced Search to use the OCM subjects in your search. This ends the tutorial. The next tutorial is on Browse Subjects.